I know you're just doing a good job, but right now, getting APPPLE is not really on my list. But I think it'd be nice to have it. Can't believe this is the last time I'm gonna be using this bad camera. Like, I swear, I can't wait to start using this phone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I've been using an iPhone 7 Plus for about 3 years now, and trust me, I really need an upgrade. The camera is not all that, and you all know the pain that you get when you have a killer outfit, but then the phone is not doing what's supposed to do, you know? So you end up wasting your outfit and maybe trying to wear the outfit the next time, and then you still get bad pictures anywhere. So I was like, you know what, I'm getting this 13 Pro Max because of one big reason, and that's the camera, because I've heard very good things about the camera. Because at first I was considering to buy a camera to film like my cooking videos and just YouTube videos, but then I thought, I was like, a camera is maybe about $900, so might as well just buy a phone, upgrade my phone and use the phone for filming my cooking videos and just other videos that I make. That way it's much easier for me and I save money rather than having a new phone then I also buy a new camera. That's just too much, and I don't have that kind of money. Okay, so here is the bag. Here is the bag right here, as you guys can see. I like Apple products. I thought of getting an Android this time, but you know what, I just can't. Like, I love Apple products at this point. I don't think there is something that's gonna make me go to an Android, but anyway, let's see what's inside. So I got this phone actually yesterday, and when I tell you, it was a struggle for me to just be patient to wait until today to film this video, because it was late at night when I went to collect it at the mall. So I was like, you know what, let me wait just for a little bit and start I make an unboxing video for it. So guys, I've been patient, but it's been hard. So here is the phone. It's in this box. It's not sealed, as you guys can see. I ordered it online instead of me like going in person to like buy it and all that. So I went to collect it, but also because I also wanted to have the screen protector on it, so they put it for me. I always do it on the first day of buying the phone, because trust me, nobody has got time to start looking for a screen protector to figure out how to put it by themselves. Not me. So yeah. So here is how the phone looks like. I got this one in gold. They have like different colors, Sierra blue, they have silver, I think so. It kind of looks like silver blackish and stuff, and they also have a green. I'm not sure, but yeah, but I chose this gold. I feel like it goes with all outfits when I'm taking a picture in the mirror or something. So that's the reason. I wanted to get a blue phone, but then I'm like, no, let me just stick to this gold. So I actually got the largest one. This one is about 6.7 inches long, I think. I'm not really sure like the length here on the sides, but you know, I'm not a tech person, so I'm just talking from a girl's perspective and just knowing technology, because as far as I'm concerned, my knowledge on this phone is not all that, but the reason why I'm getting it is because I needed an upgrade, okay? And I also wanted a better camera for my pictures. So it looks pretty neat and looks really good, and damn, I'm really excited for this camera. I'm not sure if there's anything I have to do, because of course yesterday when I went to the store to collect it, the person that was helping me out kind of already put the screen protector, which of course I had to buy with my own money, which is an additional cost. So the phone itself cost me about $1,299, which is just like $1,300. And of course Apple doesn't give you some of these things, so I had to buy the screen protector by itself. I don't know how much that was. I didn't really pay attention, honestly, because I was late and the store was almost closing. So yeah. So I'm seeing it comes with this cable. I think this is for the charger. The tech guy there was trying to explain to me that this is a bit different from the other chargers that you use for your iPhone, but trust me, I have no idea when it comes. He tried to explain to me, but I didn't really get it. All I told him was, I really hope this works on the block that I have at home. Let me dig it out from my jacket. Just give me a moment. So this is the charger that I use for my iPhone 7 Plus. This is a lightning charger, so the phone gets full really fast. So I'm hoping this cord right here fits to charge my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Because you know something else about Apple, their phone doesn't come with this block, this phone, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is really bad, because I'm just like, come on, how am I gonna buy something from you and my phone doesn't come with a charger, and I have to like figure that by myself. I have to buy, that's another cost, because they're trying to get me to buy a block, and I'm like, I've already spent so much money, I'm not about to use more money. Oh my goodness, yay, it worked. So basically I'm gonna end up having like 2 chargers that are like the same. So yeah, anyway, I guess I just have one extra cord if one kind of, you know how the chargers actually have a problem on the neck. So if my charger is gonna have a problem on the neck, then yeah, I guess I'm saved. So I guess like this is like an extra cord I'm just gonna keep. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit because I already unraveled it, and there is really nothing in here, so I'm not sure what this is, but oh, okay, I think this is for putting the card on the side. You know that little thing that looks like that? Yeah, this right here, you like put your, I think you put your SIM right here. Yeah, something like that. Because I mean, I haven't transferred the information from this one to this one, but I will do it. Then another thing that I observed, this iPhone 13 Pro Max doesn't come with earphones, so I actually had to buy AirPods, which was another cost for me. These were about, I think, $129, and these are just like the basic AirPods from Apple. They're not like the most advanced, the noise cancellation, so these are just like, you know, they're gonna give you the sound that you're looking for just for you to enjoy, but I didn't really want to buy like something very expensive anywhere, so it was a lot of cost. So let me see if I can get to open this. Affection is a disease of a nation. It's the soul that needs a surgery. Oh my goodness, I like this Beyonce song. It's my favorite. I have no idea how they put this. Oh, it's just a mess. You know, the only thing that I'm hoping is I don't lose these AirPods, because I'm a very forgetful person, trust me. At this point, I'm convinced I've got a chicken memory, but it is what it is. And that's the reason why I got the cheapest ones, because if they get lost, I'm not going to really feel the pain. But I'll still do. $129 is a lot. So, let's see the AirPods. Well. They're right here. And here are the AirPods. I really hope I don't lose them. At this point, I don't even know how I'll be carrying them, because I'm very forgetful. I've lost so many chargers. I don't know. So I hope I don't lose this. So there's the AirPods. Let's get to the phone now. Like turning it on. I'm not sure. This I think this is I don't know if I have to charge it prior, but I'm guessing this should be the power button. So okay, I think this is just the like silent mode, vibration and all that, but I'm trying to see where the power mode is. Oh dear, was I supposed to charge it beforehand? Oh well. Okay, let's try this side. Was I thought, oh okay, you see, like this whole technology thing, I'm not really good at it, so trust me, I'm not really good at this, so I'm new to this. I'm hoping I get better at it. If you ask me other advanced questions about this phone, I'm probably gonna give you a bunch of lies, so let's hope everything goes good. I think the only thing I have to do is sign in with my Apple ID from my other iPhone, and then all the information is gonna come here. So this is the last time you're gonna see a bad video from me, like video quality, okay? Because I got tired. Like, it's one of the reasons I actually wasn't filming like so much, because every time, even if I set up, I have good lighting, my camera wasn't just giving what it was supposed to give, you know what I mean? So here we are. We have the new iPhone here. Bonjour. So I'm very excited, like you have no idea. So wow. Another thing that I actually realized, I wish I bought like the cover for the phone, because with the way I'm very clumsy, I mean I have the screen protector, but I still need like the cover, that way the phone doesn't get scratched. I don't think there's anything I have to remove from the back. Yeah, but I'll get that. Okay, so I'll set up the Face ID letter, then setting up the passport. Okay, so now I'm signing in with my Apple ID, that way I transfer my information. And it's loading. It's basically gonna bring me like the information from my other phone to this phone. I'm not sure if it's gonna bring like even like the apps that I had from there, but I'm sure that's the thing that's supposed to happen. I'm not really sure when it comes to these things. So it's setting up, and once it's done setting up and bringing everything, I'm just gonna make sure I take a picture for you guys, and you're gonna see how it will look like. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're new here, and leave me comments about what phone you're using and if you're considering to upgrade to the iPhone 13 Pro. And if you're using this phone, just let me know about other features that I should know of that I don't know right now, because of course after this it's gonna be exploring, taking pictures, taking videos, like hello. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching guys. Love you.